Hey, welcome back to another tutorial of the Spring Boot web application series. So for today's topic, I'm going to talk about a few things I've added to the project. And if we go here, as we see, we have the brand here. We already did the category, and we have the brand filter, and I've added this featured product. I'm gonna talk about it after I finish talking about the brand. So as you see, before we had nothing here, and now as we see we have a list of the brand, which is basically just the list of the brand of all the products we have on our database. Since I did not upload a lot of products, so we don't have a lot of brands here. So before I talk about the implementation, I want to explain why I added this brand here because I want to accomplish something. For example, if I check this, I should see only the products belonging to this brand. If I check this as well, I should see only the products belonging to these two brands, so on. For now, I don't have this kind of implementation. I'm gonna talk about just how I've list them here. And for the implementation of kind of filter, this and this, I'm gonna dedicate a whole video trying to explain just how to implement this kind of filter and this one over here. So what I did is since we have this basically this part here, and we're gonna display it in every page, so this information and the same with the information about this number of items inside the cart should be like global, should be accessible in each page. So that's why I did in the previous video this controller advice and name it general controller. So and here I'm populating the model. So this model will contain this information, this object, and this information I'm adding to it everywhere. So that's it. And this two thing I've added is those. Let's start with the brand. So for the brand, get all the brand. We know that the brand it's just an attribute inside the product. So we go here. So it's find, and inside the product repository, I'm returning something, and returning the products repository find all brand distinct, and this return a list of strings. So let's see the implementation of this inside the repository, and this is what I wanted to talk about, is the custom query. So this is just like SQL query, SQL or MySQL query. This is a native one. You can use the JPA, I guess, and HQL. There's a lot of other things, but I prefer the native query. And if we go here, there's an attribute. It has an attribute native query. You can add this, for example, to this not the product repository, yes. So you can add this and give it like white, Yes, if I'm going to add this, I need to add the value, I guess. I guess so. That's it. That's why it was giving me the error. So it takes either true or false. So that's it, and it's by default, I guess it's native. No, it's not native. By default, it's false. So let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's use just the default one, and let JPA and Hibernate decide for us. Since it's look like a native query, but anyway. So this is it. I'm getting brand, only the brand, the column of the brand inside the products table, and using this tank here. So I'm getting this tank word. That's why. And if I go back here, I'm using inside our front end. This is the filter. So I'm using theme leaf here to do an iteration, a looping over this list of brand, which is a list of string. And the things is I need to display this here. And if I load the page, they look all, it should look all like this. All the checkbox beside them are not checked. So the filter will kick in when I check this and this, but by default in the beginning they are all not checked. So that's it. So the input here is the checkbox, value is nothing, and so on. We will return to this input when we implement the filter. And here displaying the name of the brand. So I'm using here the string manipulation things with theme leaf inside theme leaf. So this is string and capitalized words on passing the brand. So this capitalized word is a method which capitalize the first letter of each word. So that's it, first letter, as you see. And that's it for the brand. And for the featured products, we have the featured products is we're gonna have just one product with the most discounts. So this is it. This is the idea. One product with the most discounts. If we go back to the database, we have the discount here, and we have the product, and the product has the discount. So we're gonna see how to select the product with the most discount. So what I did here, if I go back to this general control, where I've implemented this method inside the product server, which is the get product with the biggest discount. And before I get this, I'm using the coupon repository. So that's it. So I needed to create the coupon or discount repository and do the dependency injection over here. So we can use this coupon repository. Anyway, let's go down. And first, I'm retrieving the discounts. The idea is to get this one, the maximum one. So the maximum one, and then it gets all products. Then find the product with the maximum, which contain the maximum coupon or the maximum discount. So this is it. This is the idea. And inside the max, find max inside the interface coupon repository. So how to select the coupon with the maximum discount is like this with the query, the custom query. So I'm selecting the coupon where coupon discount equal to select max discount from coupon. So this is like a query inside the query, so you can use this kind of if you are familiar with the SQL, Oracle SQL or MySQL, you can use this kind of thing, a query within another query. So that's it. So this return the coupon with the maximum discount. So that's it. And we go back here. So we have the coupon, give the list of the product, and we initialize featured product to null, then iterate over the list of the products, and see find if product get discount equal to discount. But before you do that, you need to make sure you have equal and hash code inside implemented inside your coupon. And discounts, I don't know why I named it. I didn't just name this coupon discount. So I'm doing here hash code and equal using just these two, the ID and the discount. So the other one, I guess we don't need it. Is discount just a boolean to see if it's a discount or just contain the 0. So anyway, and so if this product's discount is the same as discount here, the maximum one, then we set the featured product to product. Then we assign the product to the featured product and break a loop. We don't have to keep looping. Then return. So and here we return this to the front end, and inside the front end I'm going to down here the featured products. This is gonna be, we named it the featured, not the product, but gave it the name of featured. So it's a featured discount off. I'm trying to implement this part, then the picture, the name of the product, the price, then this button here. So this is the discount, the picture, as always using the encoded base 64, then featured image, then the name, price, then this is a model, so we can add to the cart as well, just like this product over here, and go to the add to wish list and detail, product detail. So this is the model for adding to the carts. And so changing everything we had down here, but we changed one thing, is the name. We had the product, now here we have I guess I should use this instead. The product name, product, here we have the featured, which is the product. Anyway, and down here we have the detail. We don't have the wish list implemented yet, guess it's gonna be the topic of the next tutorial, either the wish list or this filter over here, this one and this one. So see you next video.